we have number of varieties of problem coming up. So many diseases which you have not heard earlier, right? So those new things also can be controlled or covered with this tissue shoals. Because when the child is born with all these 12 tissue shoals. These are always in the body. This is the gift what we have received from our parents. So number one, that before conceiving, all the tissue shoals are given in a proper ratio. Then the child who is going to take the birth will be a perfect child. Memory-wise, health-wise, body-wise, bone and everything. So number one condition that before conceiving, it is advisable to give all 12 tissue shoals, right? It is known as a combination 12. So that is the first recommendation, that combination 12 can be taken comfortably. Now 12 combination, all the 12 tissue shoals, once they are in a proper ratio in the body, you can control many diseases. Now today, our life is full of intense stress. Stress has become a very, very cheaper word today. 5 साल का बच्चा बोलेगा मम्मी क्या टेंशन है. Such a beautiful word like ATM, free of charge. गुस्सा भी है free, टेंशन भी free मिलता है. मांगता उतना ले जाओ. So to remove yourself from stress, this remedy is very helpful. But if you don't know tissue shoal, then I'll introduce a very simple remedy. You can write down Soham, tension or Soham stress. Very good remedy for any tension. 2 pills 3 times in a day. If you are full of stress, you can take. Will help you tremendously. Because once you build up the tension or stress in your body, your internal organ, they start getting damaged day by day. It will go to kidney, liver and all those things. Then all big issues will come into picture. So you can take this remedy. And second thing, to control stress, you have to control your breathe. And my another request to you that today, now we are in summer. ठीक है, ज्यादा लोग बोले क्या गरम होता है, see, and क्या गरम होता है. Who is going to listen? Nobody. ठीक है. Nowadays, where is this fellow, Dr. Lakshmi Mayur or Mayur? We don't heard it nowadays. He doesn't come into picture. Earlier he used to come and give lecture on all these issues, right? Who is going to listen our कितना गरम होता है? Nobody going to listen. The simple technique to control your heat in the body, to control anger, to control emotion, to improve your memory power, to improve your creativity. Very simple technique. Expensive 20 rupees. You are not to give it to me, but go to a chemist shop, buy a medicated cotton. ठीक है, cotton रू आता है ना, medicated. हाँ, उसका थोड़ा plug बना लो, put it in the right nostril, afternoon 1 o'clock, remove in the 4 o'clock, and see what miracle you get within 6 months. गुस्सा तो कम हो जाएगा, body का heat कम हो जाएगा. Shaibni technique, Tavareji's technique. Have you read in the book? Right? Very simple, very economic, but right nostril. Once you put it close to your right nostril, you start breathing from your left nostril, and left nostril is connected with your right brain. Right brain is the brain of creativity. ठीक है, गुस्सा कम हो जाएगा. It will help to reduce blood pressure. It will improve your memory power. So simple, right? So this is the first technique after combination 12. This you can do, which will help you to control emotion, and this will help you to reduce the stress. Now we have to select what minerals our body wants. How to select? What way to select? This we are going to discuss. And once you select the right salt, it will start correcting your body, your mind, your emotion. Okay. And it will help you to fight against illness. Now illness may be major or minor. Once, see now for example, you have a kitchen. Okay? Now in kitchen, you have chai ka burning. Okay? Then sugar, masala. Okay? What you do? Whatever thing is missing, you buy and put it. And you finish that box. So here, whatever missing in your body, there are only 12 masalas. Whichever masala is missing, take it and refill it. So your body becomes perfect. Now what are these tissue shoals? How they function? The tissue shoals are known as a biochemic. Now what is biochemic salt? How they have arrived? What way they come? They are nothing but the minerals which our body needs. Now these are the minerals which are found in earth and rocks. So earth and rock, they get mineral from sun, right? And today we don't understand what is sun. ठीक है? आप कितने बजे उठते हो? What time you get up, sir? You are a pagal man. You cannot get 4:30, right? How about you, madam? 5 o'clock. How about you? 8:30. She's lucky. How about you, madam? 7. Raise the finger who gets up before 6. Before 6. Okay, all before 6 are really right. Now see, if we get up after sunrise, then we are missing the all minerals from the sun what we should receive. Right. Now today you take a decision that we will try to get up before sunrise, harvest sunrise by your eyes for 10 seconds every day and see what miracle happens within 9 months. And whatever I am telling you, this is my own experience for 22 years. Okay, and Ombai knows that how we work in the clinic. Even she also comes and attend the clinic, so she knows that how our patients they react to this thing. So number one, that if you want all these minerals, you can harvest from sunrise. If you want any color, get it from sunrise, free of charge, na? Okay. And that's the reason that once we get free of charge, उसको हमें कीमत नहीं होता. Once we go and spend money, we realize how important thing is. Now this salt will balance the body and your well-being. Now Dr. Schudler, he was a very great scientist who did a lot of study on this in 1928 to 1898. He did a lot of study. And after him, Dr. Hahnemann came, and Hahnemann did a lot of work on homeopathy. So these two were the great people, German people, who did a lot of study, and today we are enjoying the fruit of their study. Now this, all problem of our body, toxins, this salt can eliminate and make us happy and comfortable. Now biochemistry means, bio is a life. Life ka chemistry understand. This we follow with the 12 tissue salt. Now chemistry means the knowledge of elements. We have some elements in the body, there are 12 elements. How many systems do we have in the body? We have 12 systems in the body. Right? We have 12 meridians in the body, what we have studied. Now every system, every meridian, every mineral has some correlation. We will be examining how it works. Okay. Now we could have the knowledge of these 12 elements and the law of governing their combination on our behavior pattern. Now today, what food we eat, राजा थोड़ा एसी चालू कर ना, गर्म होता है राजा. एक तो आपका डर लगता है मुझे. कुछ फैन में लगा ना यहाँ पे. ये बहुत बिल्कुल नहीं आता है, एकदम गर्म होता है. थोड़ा उसका वो करना, कुछ कर यार. देखना भैया थोड़ा. एक और एसी लगा देना, ये तो दूर हो जाएगा, दूर हो जाएगा, ये मजा नहीं आएगा. या ये लाइट बंद कर देना तो गर्म कम हो जाएगा. थैंक यू मैडम. थोड़ा ये बंद कर देना, लाइट बंद कर दें. सबको मेरा मुंह दिखता है अच्छी तरह से. लाइट बंद कर दें. This is disturbing me, not getting the mood. That is better there. Thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. Okay. Everybody comfortable, including me? Sure? Are you comfortable, sir? बराबर छे? हवा आवे? Sure? Yes, ma'am. Comfortable? Sure? Okay. So this is harmony. When there is harmony, we enjoy, right? When there is disharmony, this creates a problem. Now here in this 12 tissue salt, now what is the recommended dose? How to take it? What way to take it? Now, as a general rule, you can take 2 tablets 3 times in a day or 4 times in a day. For acute condition, you can take 2 tablets every 15 minutes, every half an hour, depends on. You have to use your Vivek Buddhi, because there is no side effect, you can continue. If excess salt is gone, it will pass by urine or by stools, so nothing to worry about. There won't be any damage. Then, once the situation improves, then you can cut down the dose. Instead of 3 times, you can make it 2 times, 1 time, like that. Okay? Now they are very safe. Now we understand all these 12 tissue salt in nutshell. Now when we start understanding the tissue salt in nutshell, I'm going to give you only keyword about each salt. And then if you know that any of your relatives suffering from any disease which can be covered with this,